Hi, Pipeline team. Let's talk about email communication inside Pipeline CRM. You've got 3 powerful ways to reach out to your contacts. Let's cover the first 2 now. First one is sending an individual email directly from a person's record. So if I navigate to the people, from here you can either click in. Let's click into LeBron James. We see LeBron James has an email here. I can simply click that. An email template will pop up for me. I've got a subject line. I can add my subject. Great to meet you. You can do all the normal edits you would normally do. Font, color, links, add an image, a line, add numbers, add the little bullet points. You can fill this in. Great to meet you. Let's connect. You'll notice that my signature pops up, and I created this signature when I synced my emails. If you have not synced your email yet, you can do that by going to Tools and Email, or up to your profile up here, click Email and sync email. Super simple. Back to this. You also notice the AI assistant. I have it turned off, but you can turn it on for some help. Hey, I want help saying hello. I want help saying thank you. You click on that and you can manipulate the version that AI gives you. From here, you can also see you can add an attachment, and then this email by default will be tracked to let you know maybe when LeBron opened this or maybe didn't. If you don't want it tracked, you can say untrack. You can also just send now, or you can send later. Maybe it's Friday at 5 p.m. and you want to send this on, Monday at 8 a.m., 9 a.m. You could do it from there. And you can also send yourself a test email before you actually send it out to LeBron James. Maybe you want to make sure that your pictures and your links look great. Next, we will send bulk emails to multiple contacts at once. You could do this a number of ways. You can either grab all of these folks at once by clicking all 7 selected. Maybe you want to send a bulk email to the users who you've deemed cold status. Super easy. Let's filter for our cold folks. Maybe they haven't been answering. There's those 3. Here we can send a bulk email. Right here, you'll notice a new row of options pop up. We can just click send bulk email. Great. We're going to say test here. This is going to be sent to 3 people. We've picked 3 people here, and these 3 people have email addresses that are loaded in the system. Let's say Cleo James, we're missing this person's email address. It will only be sent to the 2 people that we have email addresses for. I'll go ahead and click next. You've got an email subject. We will put test subject in. This is the email subject line that your user will receive. You can insert a template. We'll talk about that later. But let's create an email. Since we're sending it to all 3 people and we want it to be personalized, we're going to add a tag so that when the email is sent to Cleo, it will say, hello, Cleo. When the email is sent to Biggie, it'll say, hello, Biggie. It just makes it more personalized rather than, hi. I'm going to put a space. I'm going to go to this merge tag, and I'm going to grab the first name. So as long as the first name is filled out here, which it is, this one will say, it'll grab Biggie's name. Hi, Biggie. Let's put a comma in there. Great to meet you. Let's connect. Again, you can add in more tags if you'd like to. I understand you are interested in, and maybe we use a tag because we know we go all the way to the bottom, product interest. As long as we filled in that product interest, this will say, hi, Biggie, I understand you're interested in Pipeline CRM, whatever that is. Add all that in. Again, add pictures as you'd like, tracked or not. You can have that AI assistant help you. And again, send now or schedule for later. Another great way to send emails to individuals from your list view, rather than clicking directly into Big and Smalls and going here, let's go back to that people list and let's add email. We're going to add that person work email to my list just to make it easier. If I go all the way over here, I can see these work emails, and I'm going to drag these over. So now, and remember to save my list. I'm going to save the changes. Now it's super easy. If I want to email Nate, I just click right here and I can email from here. If I wanted to email Jelly Belly, again, easy from here. Just a tip so you don't have to be clicking all over the place. It's all at your fingertips here. Both options let you send personalized messages right from Pipeline CRM, and both keep all communication logged automatically, so you can easily track engagement and follow up later. Once you send an email to one of these folks, you can click in either in the full name, scroll down to the activity feed. Your emails will be here. Or again, if you want to keep it on the people list view over in activities, you'll be able to see those email interactions here. Tips. Emails will only go to the email addresses found in the work email, so make sure you fill that out. And you can send a maximum of 1,000 to 1,000 recipients at once, depending on your email provider's limits. And when sending, if I were to go to the deals here, and I were to grab all these folks and send a bulk email, the messages or the activities will be logged under the primary contact for each deal. So whether you're sending one highly personal follow-up or reaching out to a whole segment of contacts, Pipeline CRM makes it easy to do it all in one place. Tracked, personalized, and efficient.